Imagine this: 99% of all species that ever lived on Earth are now extinct. A startling fact, isn't it? Yet, it's an essential part of our planet's natural history. You see, Earth has been the stage for 5 mass extinctions, each one reshaping life as it was known. The first event, the Ordovician-Silurian extinction, occurred around 444 million years ago, wiping out a significant portion of marine life. Then, the late Devonian extinction happened about 375 million years ago, devastating both aquatic and terrestrial species. Fast forward to the Permian-Triassic extinction, also known as the Great Dying, which took place 252 million years ago. This event was followed by the Triassic-Jurassic extinction approximately 200 million years ago. Lastly, the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction, which occurred 66 million years ago, is famously responsible for the demise of the dinosaurs. These catastrophic events wiped out most of life on Earth, leaving room for new species to dominate. But what caused these mass extinctions? The causes behind these mass extinctions are as terrifying as they are intriguing. Let's begin our journey about 500 million years ago, at the end of the Ordovician period. The planet was gripped by an ice age, and the sudden, drastic climate change led to the first mass extinction. The sea levels fell, disrupting habitats and causing the extinction of approximately 85% of marine species. Fast forward to the late Devonian period. Here, the culprits were likely numerous and included volcanic eruptions, asteroid impacts, and changes in sea levels. These events resulted in a loss of 75% of all species, a chilling reminder of how destructive these events can be. Next, we arrive at the close of the Permian period, often referred to as the Great Dying. It's the most severe extinction event in Earth's history, wiping out a staggering 96% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial species. The causes: massive volcanic eruptions in what is now Siberia, which led to catastrophic climate change. The Triassic-Jurassic extinction event was next, about 200 million years ago. Once again, volcanic activity was the main driver, causing a significant climate shift that wiped out about half of all species on Earth. Finally, we reach the end of the Cretaceous period, a scene familiar to many thanks to Hollywood's fascination with dinosaurs. Yes, this was the time when a colossal asteroid impact combined with volcanic activity led to the eradication of about 75% of all species, including the mighty dinosaurs. But wait, there's one more cause worth mentioning. Gamma-ray bursts, explosions in space caused by the death of massive stars or the merging of neutron stars. Although not linked to any past extinctions, these bursts could, in theory, cause a mass extinction by damaging the Earth's ozone layer and exposing life to deadly radiation. These events reshaped the course of life on Earth. Could such disasters strike again? Scientists predict that we are on the brink of the 6th mass extinction. A chilling statement, isn't it? But what could possibly trigger such a catastrophic event? Firstly, we have climate change. Our planet is warming at an unprecedented rate, causing polar ice caps to melt, sea levels to rise, and extreme weather conditions to become more frequent. If not addressed, this could lead to a vast loss of habitats and species. Next, there's nuclear war. The destructive power of nuclear weapons is no secret. A large-scale nuclear conflict could not only decimate human populations, but also create a nuclear winter, blocking the sun's rays and disrupting ecosystems on a global scale. Then we have biological warfare. The deliberate release of viruses, bacteria, or other germs to cause illness or death is a terrifying prospect. Such an event could wipe out large swathes of life on Earth in a relatively short time. Artificial intelligence is another potential threat. If not properly controlled, advanced AI could pose a risk to humanity and other life forms. Its potential for rapid self-improvement and unpredictability could lead to catastrophic consequences. Lastly, the threat from space. An asteroid impact. Just like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, a large enough asteroid collision could cause mass extinctions due to the ensuing climate changes and widespread destruction. The future seems daunting, but it's not set in stone. We have the power to change it. Remember, knowledge is power. With the understanding of past extinction events and their causes, we unlock the potential to prevent future disasters. Conservation, a critical factor, plays a vital role in our survival. Our planet's rich biodiversity, the symphony of life, needs our attention. We must strive to conserve, to protect, to persevere. Thanks for joining the Vibesiverse today. Let's transform our knowledge into action. Let's embrace our role as stewards of this earth. Please like, subscribe and comment, and look for more as we break down each of these events in future videos.